Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bounce effect in Scratch. Let's begin by opening Scratch and creating a new project. First, select a sprite that you want to bounce, perhaps a ball or a character. Next, choose a suitable backdrop for your project, like a simple floor or a game level. Finally, place your chosen sprite at its initial starting position on the stage, ready for action. Now, let's get our sprite moving and bouncing horizontally. Drag a Move 10 Steps block into your script area. This will give your sprite its initial movement. Immediately after that, add an If on Edge bounce block. This crucial block ensures your sprite reverses direction whenever it hits the edge of the stage. Finally, wrap both of these blocks inside a forever loop to keep the motion continuous. To add a more realistic vertical bounce, we'll simulate gravity. Create a new variable called y-velocity. In your loop, change y-velocity by a negative number, for example, -1, to pull the sprite downwards. Then, change the sprite's y-position by its y-velocity. When the sprite touches the ground, set y-velocity to a positive number, like 15, to make it jump upwards again. Finally, let's refine our bounce for a more polished feel. You can experiment with the initial y-velocity value when the sprite hits the ground. A higher number means a higher bounce. Adjust the negative gravity value to control how quickly your sprite falls. For instance, changing it from -1 to -2 will make it fall faster. Adding sound effects like a pop or boing can also significantly enhance the user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.